Ladies, today we're talking about all things gluten-free. Are you a person who has to try and avoid gluten? Gluten can be very inflammatory to the gut, and it can cause all sorts of damage. So in my clinic, I see a lot of bloating and tiredness and hormone problems. And gluten can exacerbate these problems because it causes so much inflammation. Now, it is worth trying to be gluten-free for a period of time to see if your symptoms calm down. And I guide my clients through a gold standard elimination protocol that helps to calm down the inflammation in the gut, and then see, once we reintroduce gluten, whether it is well tolerated. Now, of course, celiacs cannot tolerate one tiny bit of gluten in their diet. So if you are worried that you are celiac, then it is worth doing some tests. I also offer a comprehensive stool analysis to work out what is the damage that is being done to the gut lining and what is the range of good and bad bacteria that is in your gut that could be reacting to gluten and causing your symptoms. So as a nutrition gut specialist, I run these tests all the time. They are state-of-the-art tests, so reach out to me if that's something that you would like to do. All right, in this video, we're going to cover some tips to help you avoid gluten when you are out and about, when you're on the road, when you're traveling, when you're going to friends' places, when you're staying overnight, or when you're on the road, or when you're going to workshops and conferences, something like that. Then it's a good idea to plan ahead. Now, firstly, the internet can be your best friend when it comes to planning. You can contact your restaurant, you can contact the conference organizer, the workshop organizer, and you can even contact your hotel to see what gluten-free options are on the menu. But also, if you're staying over, see that you've got a small self-contained kitchen where you can prepare your own food, or even a refrigerator where you can store some of your pre-made snacks that can help you to avoid the biscuits that are on offer or the pastries that are on offer. Even when you're traveling Motorway Services now, especially in the UK and Australia, they have got lots of gluten-free options. You'll see chicken and salad, or a boiled egg and salad, or if you're vegan, you might have a range of seeds and nuts and endami and salad. Now, be careful to avoid salad dressings and condiments. Things like soy sauce and salad dressings often will have gluten included, so be careful of those. Now, if you are staying over, then I always like to find an Airbnb or something that has self-contained little kitchenette where I know that I'm able to prepare my own food and store my own snacks. I love packing my own snacks. I love packing trail bars or trail mix, a mix of seeds and nuts and maybe some dehydrated fruit that will keep me satiated, it'll keep me full, and it'll help me avoid those biscuits and those treats that are often on offer when you're in hotels or conferences or workshops. Make sure that you be careful about hidden gluten. Hidden gluten can be found in soy sauce and salad dressings, and then you may not be aware that that has gluten in it, which can exacerbate your symptoms. Look, some of those unwanted symptoms, if you are not able to tolerate gluten, can be bloating, gas, urgency to go, like IBS type symptoms. Even feeling tired all the time and aching in your joints can be a sign of gluten intolerance or sensitivity. You may not have the intolerance to the degree of a celiac, but certainly it can be causing inflammation in the gut. And it may also be that you are sensitive, like many of us, to the amount of pesticides that are sprayed on wheat. Wheat is a highly sprayed crop, and it can be, subject to a lot of spray, especially even just before it is harvested. So it may be that you are intolerant to those sprays that are used on that crop. So, taking out gluten out of your diet, for a short period of time, like say 42 days is the gold standard elimination. Taking that out of your diet for that amount of time can help reduce your symptoms, calm the inflammation down in the gut, and then you can slowly reintroduce that. And when you reintroduce, think about organic gluten, because you may not be reacting in the same way. If you think that is helpful and you'd like to book a test with me, please reach out to me and make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when I'm recording a video. I usually do a video a week, and reach out to me because I have state-of-the-art testing that can help get to the root cause of your symptoms. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video.